How to unblock yourself on Instagram if someone has blocked you. First, open Instagram. And once you're in Instagram, here as you can see it's loading up. So yeah, once you're here, what you have to do is just go to your DMs. So let's say if someone has blocked you from your other account, now you want to talk to them. But it's a really simple and easy method. What you have to do is just go to your other account, or you can use your friend's account too, by just simply logging into their phone or using your own phone to create another account. But let's say now you're on a different account. What you have to do is just make a group chat with the account that has blocked you. So I'm just gonna use an account as an example. So let's say with this account, and let's say the other one should be this one. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this and make sure that accounts are added just like that, and then I'm just gonna type in something right just like that in the message area, and here we go. Now we have basically created a group chat here. As you can see, our group chat has been created successfully. So yeah, this is how you can unblock yourself on Instagram if someone has blocked you. So yeah, and yeah, this is it. Goodbye.